So hi guys, this is another video based on the topic restriction enzyme. So first of all, I would tell you in simple words that what is restriction enzyme. Restriction enzyme is also called a molecular scissor and used for cutting down the DNA which is necessary for the gene of interest. So let us start from the NCERT line from starting. In the year 1963, the two enzymes responsible for the restricting growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. One of these added methyl group to DNA, while the other cut DNA. The latter was called restriction endonucleases. 1963 में दो एंजाइम रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे ई कोलाई में, जिसमें से एक मिथाइल ग्रुप कंटेन कर रहा था और दूसरा ग्रुप जो था वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस बाद में कहा गया. द फर्स्ट रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस इज हेन सेकेंड हुज फंक्शनिंग डिपेंड ऑन द स्पेसिफिक डीएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड सीक्वेंस वाज आइसोलेटेड एंड कैरेक्टराइज्ड 5 years लेटर. सबसे पहला एंडोन्यूक्लियस था हेन सेकेंड, जिसकी फंक्शनिंग एक स्पेसिफिक डीएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड सीक्वेंस पर डिपेंड करती थी. It was found that hen second always cut DNA molecule at a particular by recognizing a specific sequence of 6 base pair. पता चला कि ये वाला DNA restriction enzyme किसी particular DNA sequence से ही कट कर सकता है, starting from the 6 base pairs. This specific base sequence is known as the recognition sequence. इस specific और particular point को हम लोग recognition sequence कहते हैं for hen second. Besides hen second, today we know more than 900 restriction enzymes that have been isolated from over 230 strains of bacteria, each of recognized different recognition sequences. आज के समय में 900 से ज़्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम का रिसर्च हो चुकी है, जिसमें से 230 बैक्टीरिया से मिले हैं और उनकी डिफरेंट रिकॉग्निशन साइट्स हैं. The convention of naming these enzymes is the first letter of the name comes from genus and the second two letters come from species of the prokaryote cell from which they were isolated. Example, E. coli comes from Escherichia coli RY13. इसके नेमिंग कैसे करी जाती है? फर्स्ट लेटर हम लोग लेते हैं जीनस से और सेकेंड 2 लेटर्स हम लोग लेते हैं स्पीसीज से एंड प्रोकैरियोट सेल से, जो जिस नंबर पे बेस्ड होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ई कोलाई, इशरेशिया कोलाई, ई इज कम फ्रॉम इशरेशिया एंड सी ओ इज कम फ्रॉम कोलाई एंड R13 इट्स स्ट्रेन. इन ई कोलाई द लेटर R is derived from name of the strain which I already told you. Roman number following the name indicate the order in which the enzymes were isolated from the strain of bacteria. Restriction enzymes belong to the large class of enzyme called nucleases. Restriction enzyme एक large class enzyme से belong करता है जिसका नाम nucleases होता है. These are two kinds, exonucleases and endonucleases. First of all, in biology, whenever you see A's at the end of the word, then it means that it is belong to the enzyme, which means that A's the words which end with A's is known as enzyme. These are of two types, exonucleases and endonucleases. Exo means which cut from the DNA at the end, from the ends, and endo which means that the DNA cut from the bottom. Exonucleases remove nucleotide from the ends of the DNA, whereas endonucleases make cuts at a specific position within the DNA, which I already told you. Each restriction endonucleases function by inspecting of the length of DNA sequence. Once it finds its specific recognition sequence, it will bind the DNA and cut each of the 2 strands of double helix at a specific point in their sugar phosphate backbone. Each restriction endonucleases recognizes a specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA, which means that endonucleases functioning at a specific and recognition sequence which cut down the DNA at a specific position from the double helix of the DNA and their sugar phosphate backbones.